Sarap nila. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm buying a new drill.
Drill press or drill?
Drill.
Okay.
No, I have a drill press. The drill press works decent, but you can't hold a 50-kilo drill press trying to drill into a wall.
They're not gonna ruin the whole thing, right?
What?
They're not gonna ruin the whole thing.
Hold on. That's the next drill I'm buying.
Paano yung yupi? Magkakaproblema ba? Tingnan mo. Apa yung bunga yan? It's running now. Did you try it?
Not yet. I'm still
Washing tayo na yung sasakyan. Ito yung gamit ko, nabili ko sa TikTok. Let's see kung effective. 1 liter. Ayan. So, nakabandaw na. Ay. Ito natin tubig.
Need to see your face. You're working.
Finally.
You missed a spot.
What? This is what?
I'm joking.
See this one? It's been a long time. I haven't washed. No, I cannot climb here.
Well, that's what step stools are for.
So, gonna be... It can be white this right? Or just wash?
No, you're doing good. Just use the soap and just do what you do through the whole thing. It's like washing anything else in the house.
This is my new job now. My profession.
Well,
You can't reach it.
in all seriousness, what do they charge? 300-400 pesos to do this?
Yeah. And it's just a water and a sponge. And they're not putting much soap. You know? Stop that. Finished product. Malinis na. Back. Pagkatapos mag-washing, kanina pa tong umaga, hanggang ngayon, maghahapunan na naman. Hindi ba nahugasan? Ay. Hugasan ko na yan. Wala na akong gagawin. Yan na lang. Bagong spot ni Casey. Yan, dyan siya nag-aantay. Tuwing paalis kami, ganyan na siya. Hanggang mamaya dyan yan siya mag-aantay. Yes, where's Daddy? Daddy's in the car? Yeah?
I mean, we got the green arrow, so the traffic's going to start going. And yeah, almost all these cars are making a U-turn.
First grocery. Wala. May konting line pa, pero pag araw-araw ko magkuskus, like every other day, matatanggal din yan. Kasi, dinadaan daw yan hindi siya nadadaan sa paspasan. So, hindi siya makukuha sa isang kuskusan lang. Pati din doon, no. Pero, medyo nabawasan na. So, next day, magkukuskus ulit ako para matanggal siya totally. And, eto, hindi ko matanggal. Sobrang hirap. Ito yung mga black. Yan. Actually, nilagyan ko na yan ng chlorine. Binabad ko sa chlorine. Ayaw niya, day. Ano? Hindi siya, ewan ko kung anong klaseng stain to. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin. Brenash ko na yan, ha. Brenash ko na ng malalay na Scotch Brite ko na. Ayaw niya. Steel wool pala. Scotch Brite. So, ayaw niya. So, ulitin ko ulit to. Mga next day siguro. Puputi din siya. Matatanggal din. Merong order si Michael. In-order niya to sa Shopee. Actually, bandage to. Can I see? Show. So, yan. Ito, pinangbabalot niya dito para ma-protect yung kanyang balat dyan. Kasi nga ay nagpapawis to pag matagal siyang naglakad. Pinagpapawisan yan. So, kailangan merong sisip-sip ng anong tawag nun? Ng sweat. Anong tawag nun? Balhas. Basta anong balhas, oy? Pawis, ayan. So, ito yun. So, maganda to kasi velcro. Hindi niya na kailangan gumamit ng perdible. Perdible kasi ginagamit niya. Sabi ng doktor, ay, hindi daw yun safe. So, ito, yan. 5? You order 5, yan. Mas mura sa Shopee kasi sa hospital lang mahal. 200 plus. Sa Shopee, how much is this? 75 pesos lang ang isa. So, 5 yung binili niya. So, this one, what is this? Galing kami ng City Hardware. Bumili siya nito. Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, para saan? Kasi meron naman mga toilet seat yung mga, ano namin, yung sa bowl. Kasi yung isa pala, wala daw toilet seat. Sabi niya, sabi niya, tayo lang ang, maginhawa ang buhay. Tapos yung isang toilet daw na gagamit, masasakit daw yung puwet kapag magsi-CR. So, yun, bumili siya niyan. Kasi yung isang CR dun sa taas, walang toilet seat. Ayan o. Ganyan. How much is this?
350.
350 yun sa City Hardware.
Yeah.
You know how?
What?
You know how?
No, I don't know how. I'm gonna learn.
I'm gonna learn. And then, what is this? What else you bought? This one, what is this?
And that's to do a craft. That's to do a craft project.
Cooperating.
It's a piece of wood.
That's chopping board.
I know it is. I got plans for it.
Yan, para sa kanyang woodwork. So, yon. Hindi nasasakit ang puwet daw pag sinanay ang unang gagamit nito. Para dun sa kasi 3 yung CR dito. Meron dun isa dyan, dito sa baba. Isa dun sa kwarto namin, tapos isa dun para sa 3rd bedroom. Right?
It's the
Like guest room.
It's the guest
Guest room. Oh. So, yeah.
This is basically the downstairs bathroom. We have a bathroom in our bedroom, which is our personal master bathroom, and then there is a 3rd bathroom in between all the bedrooms, which would be a guest bathroom.
Yeah.
This place is 3 bathrooms, but considering there's no sink, and the washing area is very small in the 3rd bathroom, in America we would classify this as 2.5 bath.
It's still a bathroom.
It's a bathroom,
Yeah.
but it's not. But you can't. And technically you can clean yourself because there is a shower head there. But Americans aren't used to it. It's typical for Filipinos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. The only reason it took longer is because it's a little different than what I'm used to.
Let's see. Wow! That's perfect. Hindi pa ito nalilinis kasi 1 week pa lang kami dito. So, yung 2 CR nalinis ko na. Ito na lang ang natitira, hindi pa. So, yan. Naikabit na ni Michael. Oh. So, that's the problem.
What we'll do is
Hindi siya, yung dahan-dahan nagsasara. Diretso. Kasi yung 2 CR, pag gusto mo siyang isara, dahan-dahan bumababa. Ito, yan, wag. Maingay. Pero okay na din yan. At least meron ng toilet seat. Sabi nga ni Michael maginhawa na yung pag-CCR ng mag-CCR dyan. Right?
And then what we'll do is we'll get a cheap sprayer. So someone can have this. We'll leave that open so they can fill it up for the Tahoe. But we'll get a spray. We'll get a shower spray there, and we'll kind of mount it the same way we did in our
Okay.
bathroom. So that way you've got an actual kind of shower in here. But as everyone can see, if you're watching from America, they consider this a full bathroom, even though there's no sink. There's almost no separation between where you would take a shower and the toilet. Basically,
This is like an extra, extra toilet.
and like I said, in America, we would call this a half bath. When if you're selling a house, if this house was for sale in America, it would be 3 bedroom, 2.5 baths.
2.5 bath, yeah. Okay, 2.5.
Because-
Kasi wala siyang sink, ayan. Yan. Ito lang, typical Filipino style. Typical Filipino style na kailangan mo yung gumamit ng tabo, pero kung gusto mo mag-bidet, pwede naman. Kaya lang, kami magpapakabit, pero since wala naman tao dito palagi, 2 lang naman kami, so, ang mga bisita lang ang gagamit dyan. Usually, sinanay ko lang naman, mas preferred nun yung tabo. Yan, gusto nila yung tabo ang gagamitin. So, yan, okay na to. Tapos, yung shower, gumagana yan. So, yan. Good job. Good job, love.
Thank you.
So, yun. Ito, na-set up na ni Michael yung kanyang craft room.
Yeah.
Yan, na-set up na dyan.
I'm almost ready to go. I gotta clean the rest of this up a little bit and get what screws I have labeled. I realize I need a larger toolbox already.
You need more storage now?
It happens when you start building your tool. When you're building your tools, you start with something small, but eventually you're gonna need something bigger, and then you'll need something bigger, and then. But right now, yeah, to find what I need, I gotta take it halfway apart. So, I need a slightly larger toolbox, and what I'll do is I'll get a larger toolbox, and that'll basically be the tools I keep up in here. We'll keep that. We'll put We'll put necessary tools for downstairs, basic tools, and this will be the basic
Hindi kami
downstairs.
umalis kahapon. Pero bakit merong ano dyan, oh? Parang leak. Sa kaliwa ng sasakyan na yun, oh. Ayan, dito sa part na to. Ayun, oh. Meron nga.
I think all the oil's good.
Oil is good. Kahapon chinek ko to, parang pakunti na. So, hope it's not.
I tell you what, I need.
Hello po. Are we getting scam of the PLDT? What do you think?
I don't know.
Okay, kasi meron PLDT nagpunta ngayon. Ngayon lang, sabi niya, magagawa namin ng paraan, mabibigay namin kayo ng internet connection. And sabi ko, bakit kayo kaya niyong magbigay? Eh, yung taong nagpunta dito nung, yung pinakaunang taong nagpunta dito sa amin, tinignan nila yung area, sabi niya ay wala daw slot. So, hindi kami magkakaroon ng internet. And kaya yun, kinabukasan, pinuntahan namin sa PLDT. Ika-cancel namin kasi nga, syempre bayad na, nakapagbayad na kami ng 1699, tapos wala daw slot. So, pinakancel namin. Tapos eto, pupunta siya like after a week. Sabi niya, gagawan daw ng paraan. Sabi niya, once na nakabit daw, ay automatic daw yun, magkakaroon kami ng internet, fiber optic internet. So, sabi ko, paano yung cancellation namin? Kasi, na-apply na namin for cancellation yon. So, nag-aantay na lang kami ng refund. So, paano yon? Sabi niya ay pag-usapan daw namin pagkabalik niya. And sabi ko, di ba free installation kasi medyo malayo pa daw yung highway. Mag-ano daw yung wiring. Ang tawag nun? Basta maglalagay sila ng wiring from the highway. Magtatap sila, parang ganun daw. And automatic daw yung pag once na nakabit na, meron na kaming internet. And sabi ko, paano ang payment namin sa inyo? Sabi niya, like for consideration ba? Magkano ang ibibigay namin sa inyo? Sabi niya, ma'am, bahala na po kayo. Basta gagawa namin ng paraan. Sabi ni Michael, parang nai-scam tayo ngayon ah. Kasi yung unang taong nagpunta dito, sabi wala daw slot. Tapos pinasa niya kami dito sa tao na to na magagawan daw ng paraan. So, kailangan namin magbayad sa kanila for consideration. 'Di ba? Kaloka. Sige. Yun talaga yung ano namin, although nakabili na ako ng device ng PLDT, yung niloloadan. So, yun pa din talaga yung prepared namin yung fiber kasi nga ay mas malakas yun. Mas mabilis ang speed ng internet pagka naka-fiber. So, hopefully ay makabitan nga kami ngayon.
You have to basically zip tie it in the middle. Zip ties come loose, and then you're going to have sagging wire anyway. Oh,
Bakit Huawei, kuya? Hindi PLDT.
Ano, ma'am?
Bakit Huawei yung
Huawei yan, mas malakas yan, ma'am.
well, can you plug a router into this?
It's Huawei.
Wowie?
Yeah,
What's Wowie?
you don't know?
No,
Meron na kayo, ma'am?
Hindi, wala. Ano pa lang.
Kaya pa kanyan lang, kaka-activate lang po kasi kaya nagano pa yan. Mag-aapan yan.
I'm not crazy about the.
Nice. Nakakabit. So, ito yung ating PLDT. Amazing PLDT. Yes, grocery.
Wala lang, binidyo mo pa, wala na yan. Lalong nabutan.
Kailang binidyoan ka ninumpas mo naman.
Ah,
Planeta.
galing na ako doon, nakatatlong balik na nga ako.
Kaya pala.
Lalo ko, ipigilan magsigaw ko. Hindi mo kulong yung haluan. Yan. Yan na, yan ang ginilingan. Kala sa buhay.
Sigurado ka na? Sigurado ka na dyan? Wow, galing ah. Galing ni Kuya.
Masyado kasing malambot din madam eh.
Salamat.
Thank you madam.
Thank you. Ang LBC yung aking pinsan. So, bubuksan ko yan. Yan. Sing! LBC. LBC. So, yung pinsan ko na to ay galing ng Japan. Tama ba? Galing siya ng Japan and matagal niya na itong sinasabi sa akin na meron siyang pa-box para sa akin daw. And ayun, so sabi ko, antayin niya na lang i-send kapag nakalipat na nga kami dito sa aming bagong bahay kasi para baka kasi ma-delay, alam mo yun. Pero, yun, kahapon niya lang sinend and dumating agad ngayon. So, one day lang. Ito. Let's open it. Yan. Ito natin. Ay, ganun dapat. Hindi ba dapat? Sige pala. Ay, parang may natusok. Open this. Itsura. Yan. And, ito ka. Ano ito? Ano ito? Ah, tea. Parang, oh yeah, parang tea. Yan, Japanese product. Hindi ko alam, pero parang tea. Wala akong mabasa. Oh, barley. Ayan, sinulatan niya. Ayan. Kita ba? Ayan, may nakasulat na barley. Kasi ay, alam niya na meron akong toxic goiter. So, sabi niya, inumin ko daw to. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, barley pala to. Bakit yung Japan? Puro Japanese ang nakalagay. Walang English. Hindi siya nakasulat sa English, no? Tapos ito, ano to? Vitamin C. Oh, Asahi. Vitamin C. May nakasulat. Vitamin C daw. Yan. Sige, ito take natin ito. Puro Japan, no? Ayun, no? Wala man ang English na sulat. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan, no? Talaga tayong clue dyan kung hindi sulatan. Tapos ito next. Ano ito? Oh, okay. Ito, ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nakalagay. Tita Susan. Ayan, para sa nanay ko. Ano to? Ah, beauty soap. Ayun, so sabon ng laman. So, dalawa-dalawa tayo, ha? Dalawa-dalawa. Ito yung tsura niya, oh. Yan. Kulay-puti. Parang bar soap. Beauty soap. Gaganda yata tayo dito. I mean, kikinis. Kikinis ba tayo dito? So, yan. Gagamitin natin yan. So, para to sa nanay ko. Tita Susan. Next is Adrian. Ayan, may nakalagay. Adrian. Para sa kapatid ko. Meron din siyang pang beauty soap. Ito para sa Alvin. Kay Alvin. Para sa isang kapatid ko naman to. Ayan. Ito para sa akin. Yan. Tigdalawa kami. Yay! Thank you very much. Last, hindi pa pala last. Ito, ano ito? Buksan natin ito. Ayaw mahugot. Ito, so ganito itsura. Unboxing. What is this? Lacoste Blanc for men. Ano to? Parang perfume? Yeah, perfume. Yan. Thank you. For men, kasi kulay blue. Yan. So, para sa kuya ko. Tapos ito naman, itong kulay pink for woman. Perfume! Yay! Thank you! Wala talaga akong perfume, kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng perfume. Yung ginagamit ko ano lang, pero bihira akong mag-spray, yung bench cologne. Ito for woman. Ang cute! Amayin ko nga. Pwede na siguro buksan. Tingnan natin kung mabango.
Anything for me?
Yeah, here, perfume. And there's a soap, beauty soap. Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, we can have those. We can try.
Perfume.
Let's see. Tingnan natin. Mabango. Bango. Hindi siya matapang, as in. So, super bet yung gabang. Parang girly yung yung bango niya, as in. Oh, nice. Thank you. Like that. Okay. Next, ipapatry ko kay Michael. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung reaction dyan. Next is, ito, may isa pa. Oh, dalawa. Ay. Okay, so tag-iisa kami, ganun. Tag-iisa. I think I'll press lang din. Ayun, oo nga. Burberry. D&G Light Blue. Ibang scent to. D&G Light Blue. Tapos yung isa, Burberry Weekend. Parang business yata nila to. Teka nga, isi-search ko nga. Parang business yata nila to. Nagtitinda sila ng ng perfume. Ang cute ang cute ng packaging. Tapos ito, okay everyone. Okay everyone. For men. Tapos yung isa, tingnan natin yung isa. Kasi magkakaiba pala. Yung isa, Lacoste Blanc. Lacoste Blanc, tama ba? Magkaiba yung name nila. Tapos tingnan, ganyan yung, magkaiba yung kanilang kulay. Yan. So, thank you very much. Kaz, Jing. Teka. Yeah, Kaz, Jennifer. Yun nga. Jing at Ate Jing kasi tawag ko sa kanya. So, yun. So, thank you. Thank you sa pa-package. Thank you very much. And, sakto kasi pupunta dito si nanay ko sa kung hindi March, April. So, may papadala ko to. Pati si kuya ko, pupunta pala. So, thank you very much. Kaming ikakabit dito sa aming gate. What did you get?
What do you get?
Yeah.
No get. I didn't get
What did you
this.
made?
I made this.
Yay! So, ito yung aming black 2 and lot 28. Gawa yan sa wood, guys. Look up. Diba? So, brilliant. Tapos, isasabit namin dyan. Ganda, diba? And binili niya lang to chopping board. Tapos ito ginawa
Yeah,
niya.
this was bamboo chopping board, and then this was plywood.
Yeah.
The lettering and numbers are plywood, and then I painted the stripe to separate the two.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Shut it completely.
Okay. Dito namin isasabit. Ziploc bag. Ay, zip tie. Yung
Zip ties.
Yeah. Cable tie. Yan. Diyan namin. Pwede kasi itali. Tapos, meron kasing shade dyan. So, pag umulan, hindi siya mababasa. So, dyan talaga siya perfect. Yan.
I think that does.
Ayos, nakakabit na. Diba?
Stand up at the gate.
Good job.
Thank you. Stand up at the gate.
Smile.
I am smiling.
You sure? You happy?
Yeah, I just hope it lasts.
How long did you make those? How many days?
Well, off and on, it took about 5 days.
5 days. Meron pa siyang dito, oh.
But
Ano
you
yan sa
but you-
kahoy?
But you gotta understand. I mean, cutting the letters only took about 4 hours. If I had a better scroll saw, it would only take them 2 hours because I can turn up the speed on the scroll saw. I can't turn up the speed on this one. But cutting the letters only took about 4 hours. The rest of it was painting, letting the paint dry, buffing the paint, gluing it up, putting the clear coat, letting the clear coat dry to protect it. So total man hours, it was probably about 6-7 man hours. But in between getting other stuff done and living life and everything, it took about 5 days.
Okay. Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Only thing I don't like is
Naka-zip
words
tie yan. Sana walang maggupit, di ba? Basta zip tie lang yan. Yan.
I wished I would use a thinner wood for the words.
Tapos
block.
merong hook. Yan. Ayan.
I should have used 1/4 inch.
Guys, nagpe-prepare si Michael ng kanyang breakfast. So, pinapahinga niya akong kakaluto. Sabi niya kasi mag-rest naman daw ako sa pagluluto kasi every morning nagluluto ako. So, yun. Prepare namin to nung Sunday. And yun. So, Monday, Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday.
Tuesday. Wednesday. Yun. So, simula nung Monday hanggang ngayon ay ito ang kanyang breakfast. Ano to? Mix ng ground pork at saka egg, at saka bell pepper and onion. So, nakapack ng ganyan. Meron pa siyang pack sa freezer.
The ground pork is a mixed recipe
Tapos ito, cheddar cheese.
close to sage pork that we can buy in America called Jimmy Dean sausage. Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. So, and normally you'd put sour cream, but we substitute this cheese
Cheese.
sauce for the
Yeah,
sour
this-
cream because one, it's cheaper, and two, it's
Tsaka ito. Ano ang pangalan nito?
that's a salsa. I like that salsa.
It's gluten-free. That's why this one is expensive.
Salsa is expensive.
Tapos
Salsa.
meron tayong
Oh my
banana.
god. Salsa is gluten free. It doesn't matter.
Mhm.
It really doesn't matter what brand you make. There's no gluten comes from particles from wheat and grains and such. There's no wheat or grains in salsa.
Ah.
So I mean, yeah, it's gluten free, but that's like saying the sky is blue.
Oh, okay. Tapos, meron kami ditong saging. Nilalagyan ko ng cling wrap ito para hindi siya agad mahinog na hinog yung loob. So, yan. Tapos, initin niya lang yan sa microwave. Yan. Tapos, meron ako ditong konting rice para kay Casey. Initin ko yan kasi nananawa na siya sa pagkain niya. So, ipapahinga muna namin siya. Tapos, eto, meron tayong pipino.
Set alarm for
Tapos
1 minute.
ito. Lulutuin ko to ng
Stop playing.
lulutuin ko to ng walang mantika kasi bibigay ko to kay Casey. Itlog, tapos konting rice. Tapos ito sa akin to. Tapos ito, nabili ko to sa kahapon. Tapos ito yung buko na nabili ko. Nabutas na siya, guys. Ayun, lumabas na yung sabaw. So, kakainin ko to. Ito yung aking almusal ngayon. May pa sila, oh. Yan. May pa straw. Tapos ito, haluan ko sa pagkain ni Casey. Para merong sauce. Pero hindi lahat. Ayun, meron siyang gravy. Kumakain siya. Kasi ilang days na siyang parang walang gana kumain. Yan. Ito niya, guys. Yan. Meron siyang pati. Iced tea yan. Malamig yan na tea. Ayaw niya ng mainit. Gusto niya malamig. Guys, so, actually, lumabas na yung ibang juice niya. Tapos may pa straw sila. Ano to, 45 pesos. Talagang nilinis nilang pa ganyan. Make sure na hindi lalabas yung juice. Kaya lang, kinabukasan ko na siya ito o kakainin. So, yun, lumabas na. So, tusukin natin dyan. Ah, cute. Yummy. What do you wanna try? It's coconut juice. I mean, yeah. Try. After 10 years later. Come on. You like it?
Take it or leave it.
₱45 kasi, ay, syempre, ang hirap kaya nung ginagawa niya. Parang kina-carving niya yung coconut husk. Tama ba yun? Basta yun. yung coconut. Make sure niya talaga na malinis, hindi niya matatapyas ng bongga, hindi niya malalagyan ng butas. Actually, nagkamali na siya first time. Tapos trinay niya ulit sa isang buko. Tapos yun, success. Sabi ko, paano yun nung Christmas pala, tsaka New Year, diba? Maraming nagpapaganito. Sabi niya, marami daw silang gumagawa. Ang cute, diba? Si presentation. Yummy. Ang tagal ko nung hindi nakakainom ng ganito. Buko juice. Ayan. Ito na siguro breakfast ko. Yan. Tapos, kakainin ko na yung laman. Kasi malambot lang yung laman eh. Si Michael, kumakain nagta-tablet kasi sobrang kailangan niyang gawin yan kasi ay kahit paano, meron siyang earnings. Kumikita siya ng sentimo dyan sa paglalaro ng games na yan. So, huwag niyong gagayahin yan. Bad example. You're in the table, you're eating and using a gadget. So, it's parental guidance, guys. Not a good example. Kasi kailangan niyang habulin yung kasi meron yan level. So, kailangan yun, lumabas na lahat sila. Binutas ko kasi. Kailangan niyang habulin yung level na yun na, yung oras. So, kahit siya kumakain, nilalaro niya. Kasi sayang yung points na maiipon niya. So, pera din kaya yan. Alam mo, kahit piso, 2 piso, or actually $1, $50. Ganun, right? Yeah.
What?
So, yun. Kakagating ko na. Malambot. As in. Do you want coconut milk?
Don't forget cucumber.
Really good. Nakataas yung tuhod ko. Filipinang-Filipina. Masarap kaya, di ba? Yung nakataas yung paa. Komportable. Masip pa. Alis kami ngayon. Actually, pupunta kami ng City Hardware kasi meron bibilin si Michael. Gusto niyang palitan yung aming bidet, yung pang-spray. Kasi pag tumutulo siya. Yun. So, meron siyang leak. And kapag ginagamit ko siya, meron siyang point na kapag in-spray ko siya, sobrang lakas ng tubig na lumalabas. So, nag-i-splash. So, sabi ni Michael, papalitan namin yung spray. Meron halos parehas, I think parehas talaga sila. Doon sa CR namin sa taas, ganun din. Meron din tumutulo and tsaka dito sa baba, yung CR dito sa baba. And chinek ni Michael kagabi and sabi niya ay galing daw doon sa mismong spray, yung pang-spray yung tumutulo. So yun, papalitan namin yun. So ngayon pumunta kami City Hardware. And magbabayad na rin ng kuryente. And ngayon, syempre gagamitin namin yung sasakyan. So ako na, kumbaga parang responsibility ko na siya na ako mismo yung mag-check. Bago kami umalis, yung na-check ko yung sasakyan kung okay lahat. So, yun. Yung pangtukod. Yan. Ito yung tinutukod namin dun sa anong tawag nun? Dito. Kasi, wala na tong handle. Ewan ko ba, nung binili namin, wala siyang handle. Tapos, ito, ipupull natin yan. Yan. Diyan namin siya tinutukod. Kasi yung handle ng sasakyan na to, ewan ko ba, wala siyang handle. So, yun. So, ito, chine-check ko tong coolant. Tsaka ito, check natin. First, ito chine-check ko. Tinuruan ako nito ni Michael, kaya alam ko na yan. Ito yung coolant, okay naman. Tapos yung kulay, mukha siyang fresh, green. Ito, greenish. Yan. Okay yan. Sabi, kapag ano daw, yung hindi okay, yung medyo black. Parang ganun. Tapos ito, power steering fluid. I-check kung okay pa. Mukhang okay pa naman. Yan. Yan. Kasi nasa ano siya, dito, upper level pa. Nasa upper level pa. Meron yan guide. Yan. Kaya alam ko. Tapos ito ay brake fluid to. So, nakikita ko na nasa ano pa siya. Wait lang. Andito siya sa may maximum. Sa baba lang ng maximum. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan. Meron, yan o. Okay pa to. So, hindi ko yan nire-refill. Teka. Tapos last, ito yung sa engine oil. Wait lang. So far, yung kanyang engine oil ay okay. Nandun siya sa pangalawang dot. So, yan, nasa top siya anong tawag ng butas. Kailangan nandun siya sa pangalawang butas. So, kapag nasa pinakababa na ng butas siya, ibig sabihin ay low na daw yon, low na sa oil. So, kailangan palitan. So, and tapos, tama ba yun, palitan? So, yun. Kailangan yung kulay daw ay hindi siya kulay itim. So far, okay pa naman. Hindi pa siya dark, very dark. Kasi kailangan, siya, yung parang yellowish, orangey, parang ganun. Yan. Tapos, okay na. And, na lang ako, magpunas-punas, ganun. Yes, got it. I'm checking. Do you want to check it? Where are you at? I'm here.
Get around.
That's Michael. Say hello. I am the car checker now. Car checker.
She's the car obsessive, but it's fine. Okay.
So I check everything. Do you want to look at again? I check the power steering.
That's my biggest concern, power steering fluid.
Huh?
That's my biggest concern, the power steering fluid.
No, the power steering is okay. Okay. I checked that. It's so good.
Well, then my second concern,
It's still in the upper level. What?
okay, my second concern is going to be the tire, but did you check the water?
Huh? It's like in the middle. Okay. Now I'm going to check the tire.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
What?
Excuse me, we're done. Check ko ID yung tire. Kasi nabutas na to dati, accidentally, ewan ko ba na, anong tawag nito? Ito meron na tong tagpi. Kasi naano kami sa pako, ito tinagpian. So parang feeling itong gulong na to ay palaging nawawalan ng hangin, ang bilis yung magbawa. So ito parang natatanggal na nga eh. So chine-check ko yun palagi. Andito yung aking ang aming panghangin. Ayan, ito. Nabili ko lang to sa sa TikTok shop. So, napaka-importante nito kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng so, napaka-importante nito kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng vulcanizing shop. So, ito. Maghahangin na lang ako ngayon. Thank you, sir. So, kailangan bubuksan mo yung yung car. Ipa-power on. Ha? Huh?
You don't need to key yet.
No, because how you gonna plug in this? It must
You don't know what the pressure is yet. You don't know if you need
okay. I'm sorry. Okay, hindi pa pala. Nakalimutan ko. I-check muna pala yung mga pressure. So, andito yung ating pang check. So, yan. Nag-memorize pa ako. Soon, mamimemorize ko din yan. Wait lang. Ito yung aming pang check. Ngayon, ito. Ito yung yung harap na gulong. Tapos 00, PSI. Ten, 28. So, sabi niya, 28.2. It looks like flat. But it's 28, okay?
Let's go ahead and
So, lalagyan natin yan. Ulit nga. Yeah, it's 28.1. So, kailangan 32 to.
yeah, let's go ahead and put it up to 32. So,
Yeah, on the other side. Lahat ng gulong, gaganyan i-check. I'm gonna go this side. Ano naman to sa... Dito sa likod. Kumatay. 32. Oh, 31. 30. Ayaw niya magpakita. Sana mabitch.
You know, by the time you're done checking, it's going to need air.
30.
That's fine.
Ayaw niya ma-shoot eh. Sa butas. Sa pin pala, sa pin. Dito naman tayo. Ito sa likod. Ito dito to sa likod. Sa likod din to. Okay. Ano ba? 31.
It's fine.
Okay, this 31. Ito, dito naman sa harap. Okay, ito, dito to sa harap, sa kabila. This is 30. 30.4. Yun lang, yung gulong na yun talaga sa kabila, yung nabutas. Ang bilis niya mawala ng hangin. Dahil yung kabila ay 28, so kailangan natin siyang lagyan. Now, ito yung car key. Push the handbrake. And then, ito. So, ikakabit dito. Yan, tatanggalin ko to. So, ano yun i-charger? Why that one? There, yan. So, okay na. Diba, ayun yung nagpalabas. Ha?
Turn the air conditioning off.
So, ito na. Naka 0-0. Ngayon, sa kanan na gulong ko eh, kanan. It's hard, oh. So, yeah. Nakalagay 27. Ilalagay ko siya sa 32. Oh, 32, right? Yeah. Yan. Tapos, press what? Okay, so yan. Gusto siya nag-i-stop. Na, hindi lang ako makapaniwala kasi yung napahako kami, andito sa gilid, di ba? So, pag umaandar yung sasakyan, hindi naman yan madaanan ng pako. So, ayun o, ito siya o. Ito yung nilagyan ng patch. Ah, shit. Ayan, nilagyan ng patch. Yung hinala namin ay meron nagtusok ng pako. Kasi kung nadaanan namin yun na umaandar yung sasakyan, malabo siyang mapako doon sa gilid, 'di ba? Dapat nasa gitna yung tutusok. So, yun talaga suspected namin na meron nagbaon ng pako as in screwdriver. So, actually tinanong namin yung kapitbahay namin na hindi tinanong, sinabi namin na napako kami, yung screw na ganyan kahaba. And sabi niya, doon yan, nadaanan niyo yun doon sa may construction, yung may gumagawa ng bahay. Kasi meron doon madaming mga nakakalat na gamit ng nagpapatayo ng bahay. So, yun ang sabi niya, doon daw yun. Kaya nagtataka lang talaga kami kasi sobrang nasa gilid, tapos nasa taas pa, hindi siya yung nakalapat sa may sa may daanan mismo, di ba? Pag umandar kami, nadaanan namin siya. Dapat dun talaga, nasa ilalim, 'di ba? Ito nasa gilid, nakaangat pa. So, talagang suspect talaga namin na sinadya yan na bago lang tong gulong namin, wala pang 3 months, like 2 months, December namin to lahat to bago. So, yun, nakakapagtaka lang. So, yun, okay na yung sasakyan, by the way. Ngayon, ito na lang gagawin ko, last na to. So, bago kami umalis, konting, lang, alikabok lang. Ayan. Tsaka ito, yung pinaka-importante. Ayan. Natutuwa ako kasi wala nang bumabagsak dyan. Kasi dati, yung bahay namin dati, may puno kasi yun nakatapat sa sasakyan. So, araw-araw, daming nalalaglag dyan, ang dumi lagi ng sasakyan, as in. So, ngayon, mukha na siyang sasakyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ganyan. Ano lang ito, mga alikabok lang. Kaya, ayan. Actually, winashing ko to kahapon. Nagwashing ako kahapon. Ayan. Ayan. Ano sa kabila na? Ito. Alikabok. Ayan. Okay na. Pwede nang umalis. Tag 250 yung isa.
What I'm scared of is that it's leaking from the handle and not from the shutoff valve, and not. It was leaking from the handle. It needed replaced anyway. But
So, ito yung luma. So, ito pinalitan namin kasi sabi ni Michael, sa akin na hindi naglilik dito eh. Nasa pinalitan na. Ayan. Shit. Ang lakas. So, yung bowl ko, pagdating namin dito, kasi ang kapal niyan, yung ring. So ngayon, nakakatatlong beses na ako naglinis. So, nababawasan na yung kanyang pagkadilaw. So, later on, mawawala din yan. Yung lahat ng CR, puro ganyan. So, linis lang talaga. So, binababaran ko ng Zonrox sa gabi. Tapos, madali na siyang matanggal sa umaga, kinupuskus ko. Ayan, konti na lang. Oh. Hindi na siya as in madilaw na madilaw. Naikabit na yung isa. Ito, dun to sa taas, sa CR sa kwarto. Yan, papalitan niya din. Dito si Michael, guys, kasi yung nabili namin na actually bago, ito, yan, ito. Dalawa to, yung isa nasa taas, okay yon. Kaya lang ito yung problema, yung isa dito sa baba, tumutulo. Napansin ni Michael, dun sa dulo doon, ang may naglilik pa rin. So, useless yung pagbili namin yan. Kasi, nandun sa baba yung tulo. So, ang plano ni Michael, papalitan yan sila lahat. Pupunta kami ng City Hardware. Pati yung, yung pinaka-hose niya, papalitan. Kasi, pagising ko sa umaga, may tubig yung sahig. Meron. So, tumutulo yung spray, meron tulo sa spray, and meron din tulo doon sa baba. Yun. Kaya nag-decide si Michael, papalitan niya na lahat. Ayan. Yan. Maybe there's no washer.
well, there should be a bit of a washer here, but a lot of times.
Maybe you're gonna put a washer in it. Just washer.
Yeah.
No?
The thing of it is, though, of these.
What?
Well, part of the problem is they put this so close to the They put this so close to the screws that it's hard for it to get a totally tight seal. There should be enough room for this to turn, and this part right here is very close to these threads here. So, I mean, it should be fine, but that might be part of the problem. There's no washer here, which there should be a washer here. This is all part of what I'm talking about. The lady who owns this house. My guess is she depended on the people to build this house while she was overseas, and they took freaking shortcuts. I mean, they do real nice on things like making the tile look really nice and the really super nice toilets, and then they do stupid things like no washer here. They put the windows in backwards. many expats have said, and it's sad. It's sad, but it's also part of where there's no serious government regulation when it comes to building structures. Is that if you're building a structure here, unfortunately, you need to have someone who knows what's going on, and you can trust them to be supervising the build every single day.
So, ayan. Dadalhin namin ito sa City Hardware. Okay. Ano guys, replacement. Kasi ito yung dala namin. Tapos ito yung bago. How much should we pay for that? 300 pesos. Yan. Ito itsura niya. Sana hindi siya mag-leak. Yan. Oh.
First, you just want to kind of wipe this and make sure there's no debris. And then the same thing here. You just want to make sure that there's no any kind of debris. Okay. Now, this screws on going left to right, and that's important. That's important to know. Okay. The next thing you want to do is put on some of this. This is called Teflon tape. You can also call it plumber's tape. You can call it dope tape sometimes in America, because the putty that goes on there is sometimes called dope. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to make sure it's nice and flat like that. Okay. Now remember that I stated that it goes on right to left. That's why you want to make sure that you put the Teflon tape on right to left. Okay. And what you do is just to make sure it's a nice, smooth, but for the most part, nice and smooth. You only need, I slipped, I'm sorry. Let's get a new piece back onto itself like this. Okay, there we go. There's a good seal. Oh. Man, that's really sticking on this plastic. Okay. You want to give it 3 or 4 good turns around like that. You can just break it off. Again, it's not sticky. Then just use your fingers to kind of flatten and smooth it. Now the reason why you want to do it reverse of what you screw it on is because now when you screw, the break in the tape is there and it'll flow with screwing it on and not bunch up against it. Okay, so now you put that back on. And what that does is it helps fill in the cracks on the threads of the screwing. It helps further prevent leaking. Okay, and get that as tight as you can, pretty much as tight as you can, which is it's sealed. And then the next step will be in the bathroom. The next step, you don't have to use one of these, but it's helpful. It's a little metal brush that's used to clean like grills and cake don't stuff on some pans. But also what it can do is you come down here to the screws of the connection, and you just kind of brush it around and try to get rid of years of calcium buildup, grit, grime that might be on those screws.
Yeah, because there's a rust.
Yeah, you're not going to get it all off, but it helps clean it off, get anything that might be loose off, and help with the seal. Okay. Then again, you want to use Teflon tape, and normally you could just do what I did with the faucet, but that screw is very close. Those threads are very close to the wall, so it's going to be a little more difficult. You just do the best you can. You get in here, and you just put some thread there. You make sure you got enough room. Can use your thumb if need be. Again with the thumb. Kind of like some sewing techniques. There, okay. There, okay. Deal. And then it stores like this. This is Teflon tape. I think it was about 25 pesos or 50 cents at DIY. If you keep a hold of one of these, it should last you 10, 15, 20 years. Most plumbers end up buying more because they lose it. Okay. Now, you take this, which we already checked to make sure it's kind of low, and then you put it in here, and you first start hand tightening.
And it might be a little difficult for me because I can't see. And it's also a little difficult because of the angle of the pipe. No. And my hand. Get it in. It's nice to have these kind of pliers. In America, we call it, the brand name is called Channel Locks. I can't remember what the actual generic term is, but so I'm just gonna call them Channel Locks. They're long pliers, they adjust, they give you a handle. So then you can put on here, and it gives you room to grab. It also gives you extra length to give you some torque on the nut. Now, you don't want to tighten this too tight. You want it snug. And once you get it snug, like right there, it's snug, okay? So once you get it snug, you want to get on there one last time and go about a quarter turn past snug. There we go. Okay, if you try to tighten it too much, it can damage the washer and it'll start to leak. Okay, turn the water on. And there's already water here, so I'll need to dry it off to see if it's leaking there. But the first problem that we had feels like it's already solved. We bought one of those and it was defective and it was leaking from here. If it's leaking from here, if you have a receipt, return it. If you bought it from a small sorry type store, you're out of luck. Anyway, this part's not leaking. Water's flowing through. It's nice and strong. It's still not leaking. And then the real test is going to be in a little while. Null's going to come in here. She's going to kind of clean. She's going to make sure all of this is dry. And once it's dry, we lay down some paper towels. Come back in about 30 minutes. If the paper towels are still dry, there's no leaks.